Hello everyone, let's take a look at a quick review of the network cable capacity management from physical perspective in ITA server. So if I have a rack in my 2D view, when I select this rack, I see the content of, or the rack elevation view here on the right hand side. In the rack elevation view, obviously I can see a patch panel and I can see different servers. Here in the bottom, there is different options. For example, if I select network management and I select this rack, inside the rack I can choose a specific components. For example, I can select this patch panel and it shows me every single connection on that patch panel. Now I can select any one of these patch connections and I can change the route if I want to. I can see it in layout, I can see it in navigation, if it will show me in here. If I select layout, it will show it to me in here. If I say show route, it is going to select the two specific racks where this connection is going to and where is it ending. So you can actually see that. And in the meantime, you can see it here. This is the original rack that we had selected, and this is the network rack that is it going to. But here in the 2D view, rack elevation, it shows it next to each other. So that's one possibility. Another possibility is network cable browser, sorry. If you select network cable browser, it gives you the capability to look at all the cable connection to that specific patch panel that was selected. And you can see all these connections that are going from different servers, even in rack mounted PDUs, to that patch panels, and going external to that networking rack. And you can, again, you can select any one of these. You can show it here. You're not going to be able to modify it. The modification happens in the network management tab. But in here you have the visibility to it. You can make property changes if you want to. In the property changes, it shows you the connection from where to where. You can change whatever specific information you want to put as an identifier. From a physical perspective, if you want to change the color, if you want to present it in a different color, you can specify it, or you can see it in here. And there's another area that I can show you where you can change these colors for the cables. Those are under tools, and I believe it is cable type management. You specify the color code for a specific type of cable, and from that point on, when you create a cable, it is going to take that color. So for KVMs, since I do not have a KVM in this rack, if you do have a KVM, you can actually make the connection from any server or any device in this rack to this patch panel using these controls in here. So if you select this control, it will come up with a connection tool. If you select the connection tool, you can choose any device, and from there you can make a connection to the patch panel. So in your case, it can be a KVM switch, and from that KVM switch you can do a connection to the patch panel in that rack. Once these connections are made and you saved all your configuration, obviously you can run different reports and you can search for different connection types through reports, or you can do list view and you can see all these content in the list view as well. Hopefully this information will help you understand the network cable management capabilities of ITA server. Thank you very much, and you have a good day.